Hello, my name is Denise Hoban, and I'm the owner of SkipJack Jewelry. I have a shop on Etsy. And this video today is about how to etch on brass and copper. So our process starts with making sure that the metal is clean. The metal is sanded to create a textured surface, providing the necessary tooth for our toner printer or resist designed to adhere properly to the metal disc. So instead of printing directly onto the metal, the design is first printed on a smooth, slick backing sheet from a shipping label. And this type of paper actually allows for easy toner transfer. And to ensure that your printer feeds the paper through correctly, I always leave a little small section of the non-slick part of the label attached to the top. Now we'll cut out our designs. The designs were created using AI and printed in black and white onto the slick backing sheet from a shipping label using our toner printer cartridge, our toner printer. I'll create a video demonstrating this AI design process at a separate time or later time. Now handle the printed design with care, as the toner can easily lift or smudge from the slick backing sheet. Now we'll wipe down the metal with alcohol to remove any oils. Secure the design to the metal using heat resistance tape. I'll add a link to the specific tape that I use in the comments. This type of tape will ensure that the design stays in place during the transfer process, which involves heat. A hot hair straightener is used to carefully apply heat and pressure to the design, effectively melting the toner and transferring it onto the metal surface. And this method provides a precise control and ensures even heat and distribution for the design. Exercise caution because this metal will get very hot. Now the mini iron here helps me to burnish the toner, ensuring it adheres firmly to the metal. Now let's reveal the design. So my first transfer try wasn't perfect, but any missed spots in the toner transfer can be easily touched up with a permanent marker. Make sure that you cover the metal edges with permanent marker as well to prevent the etchant from reaching them. Next, we're going to wrap tape around a foam board, having the sticky side facing outward. And I'm using just regular blue painter's tape for this. Next, adhere your metal to the tape and just press it down firmly enough so that you know it's going to stick. Pour etchant into the dedicated glass container that will never be used again for food. And ferric chloride etchant actually works best when it's warm. And I use a resin heat mat underneath the glass container to keep it warm. And make sure that you use gloves and safety glasses during this process because the etchant will stain anything. Then you place the foam board into the etchant with the metal pieces facing down. To ensure even etching, you suspend it in the ferric chloride using the foam board, and this prevents it from touching the bottom, and always then it allows the etch material to fall away from the piece and into the bottom. Now you're going to want to monitor the etching of this process like every 15 minutes until the desired depth of the etch is achieved. And this basically, checking it every 15 minutes, make sure that you don't over etch it. Here's another batch. Then you're going to clean off the toner from your piece with acetone. Again, safety equipment is required here. And then you're going to wipe off the resist or the toner with a clean paper towel. It comes off easily with the acetone. Next, you're going to wash the acetone off of them with clean soap and water. Now I'm going to add some jump ring holes. And I first mark the location where I want the hole with permanent marker. And as you can see from the video here, I have a great tool that punches a hole in the metal. And I'll add a link to where you can purchase this in my comments under the video as well. Here's my hole. And now I'm using a dapping tool to add a dome to my metal pieces. And I actually got a really nice dapping tool set, and I'll add that below in the comments as well. It's a piece of art. Now I'm using my butane torch, and I add a heat patina to my pieces. And all these pieces are going to make some beautiful earrings. Again, this is SkipJack Jewelry. And you can find my shop on Etsy. And I just want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell a friend. Thanks, bye.